is that the Indian media seems to have gone mad. Because they are saying Pakistan is to blame, let us attack Pakistan and all that, without having any evidence that it was Pakistani who did it. You presume that it was Pakistan who did it, and you start shouting and screaming that we must attack Pakistan. In fact, many TV channels, I've seen the panelists who have been invited are hawks. They are, some of them, former lieutenant generals of the Indian Army, and they are shouting that we should not only attack the terrorists, we should attack the Pakistan Army.
Okay, sir.
For declaration of war, war is a very expensive thing, very costly thing. We are a poor country, we can't afford it. Secondly, war has unpredictable results. It is very easy to begin a war, but you can never predict how it will end. See, Hitler invaded Russia, and how did that invasion end? Or Napoleon invaded Russia, and how did that invasion end? And thirdly, both countries have nuclear weapons. Should there be a nuclear war? No, all this is irresponsible talk, which, media, Indian media has gone crazy. They are inviting people who are shouting and screaming, let us attack Pakistan, let us attack Pakistani army and all. Firstly, you don't even have proof that it was Pakistanis who did it. Who did it?
Sure, sir.
Investigation. We don't know, because those terrorists who did it, they came from the jungles and they disappeared into the jungles. Who they are, we don't even know. And you are shouting and screaming, your media, pardon me, that Pakistanis have done it. You're presuming that they have done it. A very irresponsible way in which the Indian media has behaved. When Pulwama attack took place, maybe I think 2019 or something.
Okay.
That time, the Prime Minister of Pakistan was Imran Khan.
Yeah.
And he made a very balanced and very rational statement. He said, we can understand the pain of Indians, that they have lost so many of their troops. But we also have been victims of terrorism. I myself been to so many hospitals in Pakistan and seen people without arms, without legs, without eyes. We are also victims of terrorism. So I request the Indian government to set up an investigation team, and we will cooperate with the Indians. Pakistanis will cooperate with Indians. Let us investigate, find out who are the real culprits, and then take strong action against them. This is the way it should have been handled. In fact, I would have suggested to Pakistanis that their government should appeal to the Indian government and set up a joint investigation team. We will cooperate. We also want punishment to terrorists, because we have also been victims of terrorism. But to unilaterally declare, that Pakistanis are the persons who are the perpetrators without any evidence, just because the Hindus were killed, therefore you infer that Pakistanis did it. What is this kind of inference? It may be any power. I wrote many articles that these developed countries, they don't want India to become a developed country.
Okay.
So it is quite possible that through their agents, they did it. These developed countries got this done. We don't know. No investigation has been made. But you have started shouting and screaming, and now the Indian government has passed so many measures that they will cut off the water. The Indus Water Treaty will be cut off. Just imagine,